a very delayed, dodgy start from this BMW driver. What on earth is he doing? Hello sir, how are you today? I think you need to put your phone away. I saw your driving was affected by your phone use when you started off there. It's not right, sir. Stopped or not, I'm going to be reporting it. So again, unfortunately I hit the, what's going on here? Come on. So unfortunately I hit the wrong button there. I meant to hit the highlight button, but of course I hit the power button. Hopefully you got it on video, but the gentleman took a second time of not getting going when the lights turned green. Eventually got beeped behind the car behind, from the car behind, and I also saw that there was an active call on the dash of the car. I also saw the gentleman interacting with his phone with a number of keystrokes on the phone screen.